there. In this video, we will be showing you how to access your Webmail account to change your password, set up two-factor authentication, and set up password recovery questions. To begin, you will type in this to your URL, which is mail.remwebsolutions.com, and this is the screen you will be greeted with. To move forward, you're going to select the orange button in the middle of the screen that says Access the Webmail Interface. This will bring up a new screen, and here's where you will input the username and password that has been provided to you by your Customer Success Manager. So I'm going to grab my email, which is going to go into the username line, and then I'm going to grab the password I was also provided and paste it below. I will then log in, and now I'm in Webmail. Next, I'm going to go up to the top of the screen, last tab, select Options. Then on the left-hand side, second down, I'm going to select Login. And here I will be able to change my password and set up two-factor authentication. To change my password, I'm going to enter in my current password and then create my new password. I want to make sure that my password is unique and complex and has at least 12 characters minimum and uses a mix of upper and lowercase numbers and symbols. I'm going to grab my new password here, paste it in the third line, and then paste it below again. And this just indicates that the password I've created is strong, which is what we want to see. Next step is setting up a two-factor authentication. So I can have two-factor be prompted never. I can have it prompt always. So for every single login on phone or on computer, it will ask me to authenticate. I can have it only prompt for a new IP address, and I can have it prompt for a new country. We do recommend at least having prompt for a new IP address, but do select whatever works best for you. So I will select new IP address. There we go, new IP address. And then the type of authentication I want to happen. So the first option is SMS. SMS is a text message code that you will be sent, and the phone number you'll provide will go in the address line. The address will be the phone number, which will have no dashes breaking it up, and will have a 1 in front of it. So your number will look like this. So we'll have the 1519 and then the phone number, no dashes. That is for SMS. The other option you have is Google Authenticator or another TOTP client. This will provide you with a barcode which you can scan in your phone to log in. And the last option is SMTP address, which you will provide a secondary email for the password, the code to be sent to, so you can log in that way. But I will just set this to never prompt. I'm going to hit save, which is at the bottom of the screen here, and save. It's going to tell me my details were successfully updated, and that is resetting the password. The next step is setting up my password recovery questions. So I'm going to go to General, which is above Login on the left-hand side. And here it'll be the second option listed, Password Recovery. I want to make sure that Enable Password Recovery is checked off, and then I'm going to create two secret questions. You want to make sure the questions are not easy to guess and something only you would know, and something that is not common knowledge. Something like your pet's first name might be a topic that comes up in conversation, so try to select something that you are least likely to talk about. So I have two example questions written here, and then the answers below each. And then I have Display New Password on Screen selected, so when I type these questions in correctly, it'll provide the password on screen for me. And then once I'm done that, I will hit save. Details updated successfully. And that is how you set up your new password, your two-factor authentication, and set up your password recovery. It is important that you set up your password recovery, so if you do get locked out of your email, you can answer your security questions to reset your password on your own instead of having to require assistance from REM. If you do have any other questions, do check out the other videos in our playlist, and have a wonderful day.